Hey, it's Unicorn Hugs 999, and today we're playing Build a Boat to Treasure. So, I'm gonna build a boat. Or not. Actually, I want to just spawn my boat because, I don't know.
Are you tired?
I'll spawn my car boat.
Are you about to go night? Okay, don't fall asleep on me. Tell me when you're ready to go night, okay?
I'm having a sleepover with my sister.
Right. We have a minute.
My baby sister. Who is in front of me?
Come here. There's like so many potions here. Come here before you go somewhere else.
I wonder how you get to build a boat already.
Come here.
Because I'm able to build a boat.
Come here before this. Wait.
Get out of my chair! I can't see this person, but he started without me, and also he's in my chair. Or if it's a girl, she's in my chair. Well, the car stuff only works on computers, so we can't even use the car's items. It's true. I've tried.
Hurry, the storm's about to close.
Build a boat then.
Come over here.
How?
Don't take those.
You just need some cardboard and some boxes. You can build a boat that you can swim in, I guess.
Take the little one here.
That.
Take the little one and then take the big one.
What boat? Build a boat.
Oh,
it's a girl. Well, she took my seat.
And then
I'm telling her, hey, you took my seat.
Kind of far. And you just grab these bandages. Okay, run to the circle. Dude! No, not that.
I don't know if I said it.
If you think you do it, sure. You drunk it? You drank the little one. You drank the big one, take it into it. Hold the little one though.
She didn't say anything.
Just grab the little one.
Ooh,
You need it.
I'm dying. Well, since she's not dying, I don't know.
Are you on a
But I'm gonna respawn that boat because I want to respawn.
No, Megan. Yeah, Megan. No.
So laggy.
Boy.
What?
I thought you were gonna talk in here.
Yeah, but
Say hi to YouTube.
Really?
I'm not able to do anything. Just talk.
Damn, this is a blue machine. Whoop. Dude, she's like sitting on my lap, but like her head is laying on my chest, and I can't breathe. Keep running. Make sure you don't stop, Gordo. Like run in the straight white line because so you don't get hit by the storm. Because it looks like you're about to. Megan, also run. You're gonna be hit by the storm. Good job. Okay, someone's building.
Why should we have in the seat?
Did you kill them?
Okay, we're off. And this time in my seat. Because.
I don't know.
So.
Dude,
What?
I see somebody.
Get on!
They're like destroying.
She's getting taken by the
That's
waves.
the word.
Get on the boat.
That's the. Oh, I'm gonna get hit.
She died.
Should I come back?
Oh wow, it turned grass. Seriously? Now I can't even ride.
Good job, good job. Wait, don't kill
No,
him. I
go
need
back,
to get
go
a kill
back.
for my minigun thing. Don't kill the knock guy. Where's the guy
Am
at?
I able to drive?
I know, but where's the guy at?
I'm not able to drive, but I'm able to move the things like this. Slow motion. That's what you just did. Slow motion.
Good job. You got it.
Wow. It's in slow motion, but I didn't even put it in slow motion. Hey, look at that photo. That looks cool. She's not coming.
Goro's gonna die. He might have to talk to us.
What?
Oh.
I don't know if the sun was at.
Huh?
Goro, if you go
It's
try
up
to
in the
kiss me,
sky.
don't kiss me.
And it's very bright, so don't look at it. Sorry.
Did you just fart?
No.
Did you just fart?
No.
No.
Here, I'll go and make it.
No, I didn't. Move your leg.
Get up.
You.
And then, oh, there's someone right here.
She's copying me.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna die, dude.
I want to buy something, but I don't know what to buy. Maybe I could buy the limited edition. I want to save up for this. Buy this painting tool for the ability to paint your boat.
Megan! Oh,
Ooh.
no! He's, oh, are you serious?
I got the gold, or what? I mean, I got this.
I got this.
For one car seat, 4 wheels, 4 spring, and 2 servers.
Wow, you did good though.
Sablota.
Good game, good game.
Someone's
I got
copying
it.
me. No, I'm not.
Megan, did you get your kill or no?
You're doing something I didn't do to you. Bite me.
Hey, don't bite me.
If you want to fight me,
I don't like
then
those.
fight me.
Only this.
I like those. I never said I wanted those.
Which is that? Which is this?
Okay, I'm staying quiet.
Okay, so
Let me see, did I finish?
You didn't do what I did, so
One more light.
for 10 seconds.
2 seconds.
So it's not an LMG. I need to get an animation greasy.
You're not doing what I did. I like this.
I like this.
This is what
Oh, I
I
died.
died.
Okay, let me lay you down. And then you can watch me on my phone. Okay?
Stop it.
Come lay down.
Yeah.
You watch a movie on my
Oh,
phone?
she left.
Oh,
You can go to sleep?
I'm back.
Yeah? Yeah?
Stop copying me. I don't like when you copy me.
I think you me.
Here, I'm laying on your hand until you stop copying me. Ow! Stop. I don't like squeeze hugs. Stop it. I don't like squeeze hugs. I think we're going to end the video here, guys. Please subscribe and like this video. Get off of me. Lana. Okay, it's pink.